You can watch this video with English audio on my alternate channel youtube.com/careermaster channel। आप इस वीडियो को इंग्लिश ऑडियो के साथ मेरे alternate चैनल करियर मास्टर चैनल पर देख सकते हैं। Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. I am here with an exclusive information regarding your career, regarding your jobs. In the video, I am going to share the Times Ascent, that is the job supplement of Times of India. It was issued on 21st of July 2021. Further in the video, I will share all the details. But before proceeding ahead, I am requesting you to watch this video till end, like this video, share this video with others, and subscribe this channel for latest updates regarding job opportunities, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. On your screen you can see this is the Times Ascent edition of July 21st. Here first of all you can see an article, increased trust at work is pandemic's silver lining. You can read this article regarding job opportunities and other career related things. United Nations Development Program, this is the vacancy announcement. This is the vacancy announcement regarding Head of State Office Uttarakhand. You can get the details on the website. Indian Institute of Banking and Finance regarding junior executive positions. You can get the further details on this website. Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. Recruitment notice regarding professor, assistant professor, assistant professor. You can get the details on the website of the university. Sharda Award School opening soon. This is the school that is going to open soon. There is the requirement regarding principal, school administrator, teachers. You can get the details on the website of the university. Then SRM University. Here also you can get the details regarding your job opportunities, academic leadership positions, academic position. For details you can visit the website and apply from the goods and service tax network chief executive officer is required. You can get the details regarding the opportunity here on the website. Then you can see Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation GMRC Limited. Here you can see the vacancies here regarding the civil system, various posts in civil system, electrical rolling stock. You can get the details on the website. Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata. Here is the requirement regarding the training pilots. You can get the details on the website. Oro University, they are hiring dean, directors, professor. You can get the details on the website of the school. Then you can see here Pathfinder Higher Secondary Public School. There are requirement for board and company exams. There is the requirement regarding teacher in charge, business development manager, and other posts. You can get the details on the website. Then Bharat Electronics Limited. Here is the requirement regarding project engineer in different fields. You can get the details on the website. So this is the first page of Times Ascent. Now moving to second page, you can get some more details here. These are the requirement. NCTE, they require the Dev Samaj Institute of Petroleum and Educational Research. You can get the details on the website. Here is the requirement of professional educational research invites application for previous aspirant for the position of professor, assistant professor, assistant professor. Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, they require professor and dean, and the details are given on the website. Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, here is the requirement for various posts, assistant level post. You can get the details on the website. IITM Group of Institution, they require principal and administrative officer, teachers for various positions. You can get the details on the website. Then Dholera Industrial City Development Limited, here you can see the requirement for manager, junior manager. Maharashtra Public School, here are requirement for principal, vice principal, teachers. I am suggesting you to visit the website for further details. Odisha Coal and Power Limited, additional general manager, finance and mines. You can get the details on the website. Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, Delhi, they require the PGDM teachers in various professors, assistant professors, assistant professor. You can get the details on the website. Then REC, there is the requirement for various posts. You can get the details on the website, their website. Then there are other opportunities on this edition of Times Ascent. You can get all the details by visiting the website. These are the other recruitments. You can say recruitment notice, Bank of Baroda. They require chief economist. You can get the details on the website. Chhattisgarh Railway Corporation Limited, they require CRCL vacancy notification. You can get the details on the website. These are the position: manager, assistant manager. Kaziranga University, they require dean, professor, assistant professor. You can get the details on the website. And NRL, they require graduate engineering training in various streams. You can get the details on this website. So that's all in this edition of Times Ascent. Keep on visiting this channel for latest updates regarding job opportunities exclusively. I used to share the time session every week. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel. All the best for your career. All the best for getting the opportunity in your preferred field.